Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at the NNFX Algo Tester, which is a tool designed to help traders build, backtest, forward test, and automate indicator-based trading systems. One important thing to mention right away is that based on the information available on the official website, this software is built specifically for MetaTrader 4. Now, let us start by going through the website from top to bottom and see exactly what the developers are offering. Right at the top, the website introduces the NNFX Algo Tester as a platform for building your own trading system, all right, without writing code. The main focus here is not selling a ready-made expert advisor with predefined logic. Instead, it is providing a framework where traders can combine indicators and create their own algorithmic strategies. So the website explains the overall workflow as backtest, forward test, and then go live, all within the same ecosystem. So the idea is to develop a strategy, evaluate it through historical testing, and then move into forward testing before considering live trading. All right. Scrolling down, one of the biggest selling points is that the software works with more than 75 built-in indicators, while also allowing users to add their own custom EX4 indicators. According to the documentation, there is no coding required for this process, which could make strategy development more accessible for traders who are not programmers. Okay, so the next section introduces what they call the complete trading assistant. So this can generate alerts whenever your predefined trading rules produce an entry, exit, or another trading action. The website also explains that traders can either execute trades manually, adjust the algorithm while it runs, or allow the software to automate actions according to the rules that they've configured. Further down, the developers highlight live and forward testing support, okay, by the side. Instead of relying only on historical testing, the software is designed to continue assisting during forward testing and live trading through its Algo Trader module. Their goal appears to be reducing repetitive tasks while allowing traders to focus on evaluating their systems. Another feature demonstrated is visual backtesting. Rather than only looking at reports after a test finishes, visual mode allows users to watch entries, exits, and other trading events directly on the chart. For traders who like validating strategy behavior visually, this could make it easier to identify whether the trading logic behaves as expected. The website also mentions hybrid backtesting, where users are not limited to fully automated testing. They can combine automatic execution with manual intervention during a backtest. That flexibility may be useful for traders who want to evaluate specific decision-making scenarios without completely giving up automation. All right. So going further, another interesting feature is the flexible optimization. The software allows traders to test multiple indicator values, trading rules, and strategy parameters in a single optimization process. According to the website, up to 25 optimization inputs can be configured, making it possible to compare different combinations without manually changing every setting between tests. All right. So the developers also mentioned 4 different operation modes that can isolate individual parts of a strategy. They also include tools for detecting repainting indicators and identifying weekend candles, both of which can be useful when evaluating the reliability of a trading system. Another section highlights detailed reporting. All right, historical backtests generates trade histories, balance and equity graphs, performance statistics and reports that can be exported to Excel or CSV for additional analysis outside the platform. Moving further down the page, we reach customer testimonials. Several users describe significant improvements in their backtesting workflow, with many emphasizing the software's speed, flexibility, and customer support. Now, as always, these represent individual user experiences rather than evidence of future performance. So they are best viewed as personal opinions rather than guarantees. All right. So next comes the pricing section. The website currently offers 3 subscription tiers. You have the basic, the professional, and the ultimate, along with lifetime licensing options. The higher plans mainly expand live trading capabilities, additional live accounts, candidate search functionality, market data, notifications, and priority support. So, which plan makes sense will depend entirely on how extensively someone intends to use the software. Okay, so now getting over to the FAQ section, it answers several practical questions. And one thing I appreciate is that the developers openly acknowledge that no software is perfect and that complex trading rules may sometimes require custom mode. They also mentioned that although the platform is designed to be code free, there is still a learning curve, particularly when configuring custom indicators. The website also explains that traders can try a demo version for free with some limitations. All right, including a maximum of 10 trades per backtest, and the exclusion of certain features such as live trading functionality. There is also a 14-day refund policy for the full version according to the information provided. Another point worth noting is that the developer states all active licenses receive future updates and subscriptions can be cancelled at any time. So now let's just move into the historical testing portion. I also downloaded the demo version, and I ran my own test using the software, and the strategy tester report shows that the test was performed on GBP USD. I actually performed the test on GBP USD, on the 1 hour time frame with every tick model and over roughly a 3 month historical period. However, the outcome was quite different from what I expected. In this particular test, the report finished with 0 trades executed, meaning that there was no net profit, no drawdown, no completed positions available for evaluation. Now, because no trades were taken, there is really no meaningful historical performance to analyze. Metrics like profit factor, win rate, recovery factor, or the equity curve don't provide useful insight in this case, since the strategy never actually entered the market. I was thinking that since they provided, a demo to download, at least I was thinking that one could be able to do a back test, but for reasons that I am not really aware of, I didn't get any results even after doing the back test. Okay, so based on the report alone, it's simply not possible to determine the cost. So I don't want to speculate beyond what the results actually show. And this is also a good reminder that historical testing depends heavily on the configuration being tested. Actually, it could be maybe from the settings, or it could be from another thing that I'm not sure of, right? But I'm just saying that I tried testing it and it didn't give me any results. All right. So different settings can produce very different outcomes, and historical performance, whether strong or weak, should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future results. So if you are evaluating software like this, it's always worth spending time experimenting with different configurations, understanding how the rules interact and performing your own forward testing, okay, before drawing conclusions. Overall, the NNFX Algo Tester positions itself as a strategy building and testing platform rather than a plug and play expert advisor. And based on the official website, its strongest focus is giving traders a structured way to create, test, optimize, and eventually automate their own indicator based systems without requiring programming knowledge. At the same time, my own demo test did not generate any trades, so I wasn't able to evaluate the software's historical trading performance beyond reporting exactly what happened in the strategy tester. Ultimately, whether this tool is suitable for you will depend on your trading approach and whether you are looking for a platform to build and test your own rules instead of relying on a pre-built strategy. As always, remember that no expert advisor or trading tool is suitable for every trader or every market condition. So take the time to perform your own testing, optimization, and due diligence before making any trading decisions. Okay. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.